Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today in a completely Christmassy mood, I'm not going to play or explain a Christmas song, but I hope that you are enjoying some of the Christmas songs that I'm publishing lately, starting from the 1st of December when I published the first short. It was about Jingle Bells, and then I published a few more videos. Today I want to play and explain the 2 and 3 note slurs piece Barcarolle from the Tales of Hoffmann. We are on page 18 of the John Thompson Thesis Piano Course Part 4. It's a fantastic piece, this one. Offenbach, the composer, is a quite famous one. Thompson decided to use this piece to help you improving more and more the 2 and the 3 note slurs. As you can see, we have 2 note slurs, 3 note slurs, and more. All over the piece. From the beginning up to the end of the piece. You should already know what does it mean 2 note slurs, 3 note slurs. For the 2 note slurs, think of drop on the first and roll on the second. For the 3 note slurs, think of drop, connect, roll. Drop towards the keyboard, connect. The connection obviously is horizontal, the action. If the dropping or the rolling at the end is a vertical action, dropping down, rolling upwards and inwards, the connection can be either to the left or to the right, if you think. Drop going down, connect going to the left in this case, and rolling up is on the 3rd F. I was playing exactly this one. I can play now firstly at a higher speed and then I will play slowly. Before playing it slowly, I hope you remember now the meaning of D, C al fine, da capo al fine. So when you arrive here, you go back to the beginning, all the way then through up to the word fine, up to this point. There is a change of position at the start of the second part. As you can see, you start having the second finger of the left on the middle C. You will have to simply stretch out the thumb, that instead of being on the D, we'll have to go to the E. On the left side is not an authentic change of hand position. It will be in the right hand, the change of hand position. You start from the 3rd finger on the E, exactly as you can see at the beginning, but then here you have to place the thumb on the G, so it will be from ear to ear. From E, the 3rd, and the thumb on the middle C, thumb on the G. Then at the end, here, in order to go back to the beginning, you have to simply be ready to go back to the previous position. Before I start playing it slowly, I want to simply double check that you remember that when we have the 6/8 time signature, we consider the quavers, the 8th notes, and this is the meaning of the bottom number, that we have 6 8th notes, 6 quavers. When it's played fast, as I explained in some of my theory lessons, the 6/8 is intended in 2, because it's the compound time signature derived from the 2/4. Can be a little bit complicated for you to understand. If you want, simply leave a comment and ask for the theory lesson where I explain the compound time signatures. When it's fast, we intend the dotted crotchet or dotted quarter note, the count. And indeed, in this case, the quavers are the subdivisions. In this case we have 3 subdivisions in each beat worth 1 dotted crochet, 1 dotted crochet note. But when we play it slowly, we can definitely consider the eighth, the quavers, the beats, and we do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. When it was fast, at the beginning it was counting almost like 1 and A, 2 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A, 1 and A, 2 and A. I use 1 and A. I subdivide these in the 3 elements that are obviously making it. I do number and A. 1 and A, 2 and A. Let's play now slowly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, stop. We can read together what Thompson is saying here. He's saying, be sure to observe the 2 and 3 note slurs. When they are played correctly, they will imitate the rocking motion of a gondola as it glides over the waters of a Venetian canal. So, I think that it's more than enough for today. I hope you understood everything, you appreciated the song, it's a very nice one. Obviously feel free to comment, let me know if you are understanding everything, if you want me to help you with the theory lesson where I explain the compound time signatures. They have been obviously, the compound time signature has been explained anyways at the end of Thompson part 3. But obviously it's an explanation made considering the level you are at the moment. If you want a much more detailed explanation, I can definitely suggest you the video where I spoke about the compound time signature, the theory lesson, that I published a few months ago. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel, thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.